Have you seen this effect in one of your favorite shows? Do you know that it is very easy to do, like drag and drop kind of thing? Let me show you how. So open your DaVinci Resolve, search for realistic digital screen pack. This one. Now drag it into your timeline. Change the text. Who is John? Set the camera angle. Let's try text follow. Set the animation 1.5. Then adjust the angle. Text follow. And there you have it. Let's watch it. It also comes with text follow max, scroll, 3D, and cursor focus. Very cool, right? But wait, here's the catch. It is not built in DaVinci Resolve. You need to install a specific plugin. To get a plugin, go to videoeditorstudio.com. I'm gonna put this link in the description, but if you're on TikTok, I think adding link is not an option. So you can screenshot it and just type it on your browser. So once you are in the website, search for realistic digital screen pack. This one. The full plugin is not free, but the good thing is they provide a sample, which is the one I showed earlier. So scroll down, input your email, and then click download. By the way, I suggest that you put your real email here because they send good stuffs too. Okay, so once you download it, you need to extract the file. Okay. And then find this file, the realistic digital screen pack, the bundle. Double click to open, and you need to click DaVinci Resolve and install the plugin. Since it is already installed here, it shows override, but if this plugin is not yet installed, this button is install. So click install. So I hope I am able to help you on your editing journey, and if you like this video, share it with your friends, and more importantly, don't forget to subscribe.